Good evening students, this is chemistry session for class 10th and now I am going to discuss the topic chemical properties of acids. So, let us see some chemical properties of acids. When acid reacts with metal, it produces hydrogen gas along with the formation of salt. Take in a test tube, take few pieces of zinc granules in a test tube and add 2 ml these are zinc granules and this is sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, and now we connect a passing tube or delivery tube with it. In a container, we take soap solution in the container, this is soap solution, this is test tube, and in the test tube we take few pieces of zinc granules and we add 2 ml dilute sulfuric acid and we observe bubbles on the surface of zinc granules. A colorless odorless gas is produced and when it passes through the delivery tube, this is delivery tube. When this gas passes through the soap solution, these are the bubbles containing hydrogen gas. When we bring a burning matchstick near the bubble, it burns with pop sound, just like cracker. It burns with pop sound. So, this is the test for hydrogen gas, because this is colorless odorless gas, and when this gas when a burning matchstick is brought near bubble, it burns with pop sound. We can write in the form of chemical reaction: zinc plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 aqueous when sulfuric acid react with zinc, it forms salt, it is zinc sulphate aqueous along with the formation of hydrogen gas. So, this is a chemical reaction. We can consider some more chemical reactions, like when magnesium metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride along with the formation of hydrogen gas. So, from this activity we can find out that when an acid react with metal, it forms salt and hydrogen. Now take a screenshot of it. Now reaction with bases, reaction of metal with bases. Just like acid, when bases react with metal, produce hydrogen gas. For example, when zinc metal react with dilute NaOH, then it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Na2ZnO2, it is sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. We can take one more example. When aluminum powder react with dilute NaOH, it forms NaAlO2, it is sodium aluminate, and hydrogen gas. Now, one more chemical property of acid. Reaction of acid with metal carbonate, and metal hydrogen carbonate, So, let us see how acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate when react with dilute hydrochloric acid, it produces colorless odorless gas along with the formation of salt and water. So, it forms NaCl plus carbon dioxide gas plus water. So, when metal carbonate reacts with acid, hydrochloric acid, it forms salt, CO2 and water. Just like when calcium carbonate react with dilute hydrochloric acid, it forms salt, it is calcium chloride CaCl2 plus carbon dioxide plus water. So, when acid react with metal carbonate, it produces salt, CO2 and water. And now, let us see how acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate. We can take an example. NaHCO3, this is sodium hydrogen carbonate. When it reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms NaCl, salt plus carbon dioxide, gas plus water. So, we can see that when acid reacts with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, carbon dioxide gas is produced. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, we will see how carbon dioxide gas is tested. So, when this gas is passed through lime water for a short time, then it becomes milky or milky color appears. But when this gas is passed for long duration, then milky color disappear. So, let us see. We take lime water in a test tube. This is lime water, calcium hydroxide, and it is colorless. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, then milky color appears. It changes into milky color. So, why milky color appear? It appears due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. So, in the form of equation we can write it CaOH whole twice, this is lime water, when CO2 is passed through lime water, then it forms CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water. So, due to formation of calcium carbonate which is insoluble, milky color appears. Okay. It happens when CO2 gas is passed for short duration or short time, but when this gas is passed for long time, then what happens? Milky color disappear. So let us see why. CaCO3 plus H2O, when excess CO2 is passed, then it forms soluble calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 whole twice. It is soluble in water, so milky color, it is soluble, and due to formation of calcium bicarbonate, milky color disappear. So in lime water, when carbon dioxide gas is passed for short time, then due to formation of calcium carbonate, milky color appears. But when this gas is passed for long time, then milky color again disappear. It is because calcium bicarbonate is formed and it is soluble in water. Now take a screenshot of it. Now this session is completed and I am going to give you a task which you will see on your screen. You have to go through this task and find out the solution. Thank you, students.